Hi, my name is Eliza Madla, and she is my classmate Abby Rason. We sing the Apologize by Timbaland, but recovered by Eliza Madla and Abby Rason. Holding on the road, that Tennessee of hearing what you say, but you just can't make you say. Tell me that you need me. Me down your way. Tell me that you're sorry. You don't think I turn around and say I apologize. Apologize. Take another chance, take a sword, take a shot for you. But I need you like a heart needs a beat, but it's not. Yeah, I'm happy with the fire, I'm turning blue. I say, so that I can angel, heaven let me feel you. But I'm afraid, I can't tell you. I apologize. That Tennessee of bye bye, we miss you.